November 19th, Nvidia dropped their earnings report. And if you look at the headlines, it looks like the party is going to last forever.
Nvidia.
Here's what happened. Revenue $57 billion. That's up 62% from last year, beating expectations. Forecast. They expect to hit $65 billion next quarter. The killer stat, 73.4% gross margin. But I noticed something everyone missed. Something that proves we are at the exact peak of a $17 trillion bubble. Watch in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to connect the dots between Nvidia's perfect quarter and the massive crash that's coming. I'll show you the leaked documents from other AI companies, and I'll tell you exactly how to protect yourself and profit the fallout. Let's expose this. First, let's decode what actually happened with Nvidia. $57 billion in revenue sounds massive, right? But here's what they didn't emphasize. Their growth is slowing down fast. 2023 growing at 265%. 2024 growing at 171%. This quarter 62%. Next quarter projection only 56%. Do you see the trend line? This isn't a rocket ship anymore. That is gravity taking over. To understand why this is a bubble, you have to look at the bigger picture. Since ChatGPT launched, the market added $17 trillion in AI-related value. That's more than the GDP of China. But look at the companies paying Nvidia that money. OpenAI losing over $9 billion per year. Anthropic losing $2.7 billion per year. Cohere losing $900 million per year. Stability AI basically bankrupt. Jasper AI laid off 30% of staff. It's a wealth transfer. The software companies are bleeding money to keep Nvidia rich. Sequoia Capital, the VC that funded Apple and Google, leaked this analysis. AI companies need $600 billion in annual revenue to justify valuations. Actual revenue, $45 billion. That's a $555 billion gap. That gap, that's the bubble. So we have a revenue problem, but we also have a geopolitical problem. Did you catch the fine print in Nvidia's report? China revenue was minimal. Nvidia is growing despite being locked out of one of the biggest markets in the world. Right now, that looks impressive, but it means if the US economy sneezes, there is no backup plan. Based on the data, I've identified 3 triggers. When they hit, the bubble pops. Trigger 1, March 2026, Apple Intelligence launches fully. And if it's fine, not revolutionary, just fine, the mainstream realizes AI was overhyped. Market drops 10%. Trigger 2, May 2026, the revenue miss. One major AI company misses revenue by 50%. Could be OpenAI, Anthropic, or even Nvidia. The growth story dies. Market drops another 15%. Trigger 3, July 2026, the funding freeze. VCs stop funding AI companies. The free money disappears. Companies start dying weekly. Market dips down 30%. Every bubble follows the same pattern. Euphoria, that's where we are now. Denial, panic, capitulation, then depression. We're seeing the classic peak of inflated expectations. The technology is real, but the valuations are fake, and that's the bubble. We are 6 to 9 months from panic. Now, I know what you're thinking. If it's a bubble, should I just ignore AI? Or is it all a scam? Absolutely not. And that's the most important part of this video. In 2000, the dot-com bubble burst. The stocks crashed. But did the internet die? No. The internet took over the world. The companies that speculated on stock prices died. But the companies that used the internet to build real systems became Amazon and Google. We are at the exact same moment with AI. The stock prices and the stock market bubble is about to burst. But the AI automation revolution is just getting started. After the crash, something beautiful happens. AI becomes a tool, not a religion. And tools need to actually work. Smart businesses are already using AI correctly. Law firms cutting research time by 70%. E-commerce personalizing at scale plus 35% conversion. Logistic optimizing routes saving millions. Notice what's different. They're not buying AI. They're buying results. That's exactly why I started an AI automation agency. We don't sell digital transformation. We sell time and profit back to businesses. We talk about your P&L. If you want to AI-proof your business before the crash, if you want to cut costs while everyone else is burning money, and if you want systems that work when the hype dies. Because when the bubble pops, two types of businesses survive: those with cash and those with systems. We help you build both. Click the link in the description. Let's build something real. I'm Nitin Keshori with you. Subscribe and smash the bell icon. Don't get caught in the bubble. Get to work. See you on the inside.